Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss which one is the fastest AI content creator tool. So here you can see I have ChatGPT, DeepSeek and Gemini. So let's try to generate some content. Just I can add here this content and press enter, and here you can see how much time it can take. Scroll down, it's working on. So guys, here you can see it's still working for the SEO category. Now let's check on DeepSeek. Just simply I can copy the above text and paste here, then click on the button continue. So let's see how much time it can take. And DeepSeek is generating content in organized form. Here you can see separate headings. So guys, all of these tools are free, but you can get paid version if you want to do a lot of activities. And now I want to use Gemini, so that is developed by Google platform. Just I can paste here content and then click on continue button. Scroll down and here you can check the speed. So I think Gemini is the fastest AI content creator tool. Here you can see it has taken very short time to generate content. So I hope you got this video that was for AI tool comparison. So thank you for watching video. For more videos and updates, please subscribe my YouTube channel.